Hello everyone, this is me Padma. So in this video, we are going to see chapter 1, exercise 1B continuation, which is GST on value addition. And we are going to see question number 3, 4 and 5. In question 3, goods or services are sold from Agra to Kanpur for 20,000 rupees and from Kanpur to Jaipur. If the rate of GST is 18% and the profit made at Kanpur is 5,000. What we need to find the net GST payable by the dealer at Kanpur. Okay, first we will make a framework for this problem. So Kanpur person is actually the middle person, right? So what he is doing, he is getting the goods or services from the Agra. So he is getting the goods or services from Agra. So from here he is getting, that means I can make the arrow like this. So what is going to happen? 20,000 goods he is getting. Okay. And then this Kanpur person is going to sell the goods to Rajasthan. Yes. And he is actually making a profit of 5,000. Then what is the meaning? 20,000 plus 5,000. So it's going to be 25,000. Now the same goods or services cost got changed to 25,000. Yes. So, and this is Rajasthan. So what is this Agra to Kanpur? It's nothing but intra-state transaction because within a state, and Kanpur to Rajasthan is interstate transaction because from one state to the another state. Now the question is, this Kanpur person, how much net GST he is going to pay? Okay, what is the meaning of net GST? It's nothing but when he is getting the goods or services from Agra, he would have paid some GST, right? It's nothing but 18% of 20,000 he has paid. Now, when he is selling the goods or services to Rajasthan, he would have received the GST from Rajasthan, which is of 18% of the selling price. Here the selling price is 25,000. So he would have collected 18% of 25,000. So he paid 18% of 20,000, who Kanpur person, and he collected 18% of 25,000. First, let's find what is the amount for it. Now we are going to find the amount, and if we subtract, we will get the net GST, which he has to pay to the government. So yes, so we will calculate this one. So 18 twos are 36 and we have two more zeros. So 3,600 rupees the Kanpur person paid to the Agra person. Okay. Now, how much this person received from, the Kanpur person received from Rajasthan person, right? So first let's calculate this. So 2020 got cancelled. So what is 18 into 25? It's nothing but 40, 9, 16, 3. Yes, 450 it's coming, and one more zero is there, so it's 4,500. So how much GST the Kanpur person has paid? 3,600. How much GST the Kanpur person is getting? 4,500. So what is the net GST payable? Okay, net GST payable by whom? By Kanpur, by the person who belongs to Kanpur. So it's nothing but, so can I say this as what tax? Output tax. And what about this? This is as input tax. So what we need to find? We have to find output tax minus input tax. So which is 4,500 minus 3,600, which is equal to 900. So 900 rupees is the net GST payable by the dealer at Kanpur. Next problem. So the next problem is goods or services are sold from Kota, which is in Rajasthan, to Mumbai for rupees 20,000, and then from Mumbai to Pune. If the rate of GST is 12% and the profit made at Mumbai is 5,000, find the net GST paid at Pune if the dealer at Pune does not sell the goods further. Okay, fine. So now from where to where first we will mention? From Kota to Mumbai. So Kota to Mumbai, the goods and services are going to transfer. What is the amount? Here also same 20,000 only. And then from Mumbai to Pune. So Mumbai to Pune, is there any profit? Yeah, see in Mumbai they have made 5,000 profit. Then it's going to be 25,000. And what is the GST over here? They have mentioned it's 12%. So this Mumbai person is going to pay 12% of GST to what? Kota person. And then this Mumbai person is going to receive 12% from the Pune person. So we need to pay 12% of GST. Here, what is the question here? Net GST paid at Pune. So now this person has paid some GST, right? What is the net GST he has paid? Whereas he is not going to sell his goods further. Okay, here the chain got stopped. That means Kota person gave to Mumbai person gave to Pune person is not going to give any this goods or services to anybody. So the chain got stopped over here. We need to find what is the amount of GST has been paid by the Pune person, the net GST. Okay, yes, we'll start calculating. So for that, I no need to check this one, because Pune person, how much he has paid, it's nothing but what it is, 12 by 100 of 25,000. Directly we can calculate it. So yes, 25 into 12, so 50, 25, it's going to be 300, and already 10 is there, so it's nothing but 3,000. So 3,000 is the amount this person, that means the Pune person, has to pay for GST when in case if he is not selling the goods further. This is the answer for this problem. Yes, the next problem. A is a dealer in Banaras. He supplies goods or services worth 8,000, okay, to a dealer B. Okay, in A there is one dealer A who is at UP, and one more dealer B, also UP. So what they are talking about, this A person supplies goods and services worth 8,000 rupees, okay, and to a dealer B. Now dealer B in turn supplies the same goods and services to a dealer C who is in Bihar. That means Patna, Bihar, at a profit of 1,200. Then what for he has sold the goods or services? It's nothing but 9,200. Now the question is, find the input and output taxes for the dealer C under GST system. Okay, if the rate of GST is 18% and C does not sell his goods further, okay, fine. So now there are two things. One, we need to find what is the input and output taxes for dealer C. First, what is actually input tax? The GST we are paying when I am buying something. That is what input tax. Then C has to pay the input tax to what? To the person B. This is nothing but input tax. And what is output tax? When he is selling to someone, he is going to collect, na, that is nothing but the output tax. But here they gave one information, C is not going to sell this to anybody, right? Then obviously this output tax is going to be 0. But input tax alone we need to calculate. Okay, yes. So as of now, output tax is 0. Now we need to find what is the input tax. And what about the GST percentage? It is 18%. So we have to calculate 18% of 9,200. So what is 18% of 9,200? 18 by 100 into 9,200. If we cancel this, so 18 into 92, we will be getting 1,656. So what is this? It's nothing but input tax. And what about our output tax? It's going to be 0. Why output tax is 0? Because the person C not going to sell the product or goods to anybody. Further, he is not going to sell. Then how can he collect the output tax? So that's what 0. So the input tax is 1,656 and the output tax is rupees 0. This is what the answer. Next questions we will be seeing in the next video. Thank you.